Landpack created a tractor with a huge rotating shaft attached to the rear, weighing from 8 to 12 tons, used to compact the earth. The rotating shaft attached to the rear of the Landpack tractor is known as a sheep's foot roller or a padfoot roller. It's made up of a series of cylindrical or rectangular pads that create a kneading effect on the soil, helping to compact it evenly and efficiently. This machine is commonly used in the production of grass for sports fields, golf courses, and landscaping. This machine is also able to harvest the turf with minimal damage, ensuring that it remains in good condition for transport and use. The harvested turf is transported by conveyor belt to a storage area or processing facility. The Brouwer 4000 automatic roll sod harvester is a specialized piece of equipment used in the agricultural industry for harvesting and cutting sod. The machine is pulled by a tractor and can be adjusted to accommodate different types of grasses and soil conditions. The machine's cutting blades and rollers are designed to minimize damage to the grass, resulting in rolls that are smooth, dense, and easy to install. The easiest way to remove the sod is to use a special Klassen cutter. Such a machine will save you hours of grueling work. They cut the turf in precise curves or straight lines. These cutters are very compact and maneuverable. This is a Ventrac SSV, or sidewalk snow vehicle. It's a sleek and durable option for clearing snow from sidewalks. It was designed as a system that can handle any winter storm. Lofness Quick Trim is a powerful machine designed for trimming trees and other vegetation. Equipped with a hydraulic boom and an adjustable cutting head, this machine can reach up to 7.5 meters, making it perfect for trimming tall trees and hard-to-reach areas. This machine is designed for use in various settings, including parks, orchards, golf courses, and along roadways. Ladybird is an agricultural robot designed to address the labor shortage in the farming industry. It's equipped with cameras and sensors that allow it to navigate through fields and identify weeds. Ladybird is powered by a combination of rechargeable batteries and solar panels, which allows it to operate for extended periods without needing to be recharged. Liebherr mining excavators are highly efficient and powerful machines designed for heavy-duty mining operations. These excavators have advanced hydraulic systems that deliver high torque and digging force, making them capable of handling even the toughest mining applications. They also have comfortable cabs with state-of-the-art controls and safety features that ensure operator safety and ease of use. The LaSalle machine is a specialized drainage machine designed to effectively and efficiently install drainage systems in agricultural fields. This powerful machine is built to handle tough soil conditions and deliver high-quality drainage with minimal waste. The EcoVolve electric dumper is a cutting-edge electric vehicle designed for use in a wide range of applications, including construction, landscaping, agriculture, and more. One of the key benefits of the EcoVolve electric dumper is its eco-friendly design. This machine is powered entirely by electricity, eliminating the need for fossil fuels and reducing carbon emissions. Modern fruit harvesting technology has greatly advanced in recent years, providing farmers with efficient and effective ways to harvest fruit from trees. One popular technology is the use of fruit harvesting machines, which are specially designed to collect fruit quickly and gently without damaging the tree or the fruit itself. Automated tea harvesters are machines designed to pick tea leaves from tea bushes quickly and efficiently. These machines are equipped with advanced sensors and algorithms that can detect and select only the mature tea leaves, ensuring a high-quality tea harvest. The automated tea harvesters are equipped with several innovative features, such as adjustable cutting heights, leaf-catching baskets, and a conveyor system that transports the harvested tea leaves to the collection point. The Tesmec Evo Surface Miner is a powerful machine designed for mining and excavation. It's designed for use in various mining and excavation applications, including surface mining, trenching, and road construction. Its compact size and maneuverability make it easy to operate in tight spaces, while its durable construction ensures reliable performance even in harsh conditions. IC Series autonomous implement carriers from AutoAgri are to stand out from others by its electric drivetrain and compatibility with existing implements. The robot carries implements up to 2,000 kilograms. All four wheels, positioned on each corner of the vehicle, are driven and can steer 360 degrees. These are to give the AutoAgri I-Series maximum navigation flexibility and the ability to drive in all directions and turn around its own axis, also in challenging terrain. Amphibious excavators are specialized machines used for clearing water bodies. They're equipped with tracks or pontoons that allow them to maneuver through water, making them ideal for dredging ponds, lakes, and rivers. These excavators typically feature long hydraulic arms with digging buckets that can scoop up sediment, debris, and other materials from the bottom of a body of water. The material is then transported to the shore or another location using the excavator's onboard conveyor system. Bauer Aquaspin is a type of irrigation system that utilizes rain guns or sprinklers to water fields. These machines are designed to distribute water evenly over large areas, making them ideal for irrigating agricultural crops. The Bauer Aquaspin system works by attaching a series of sprinklers or rain guns to a rotating arm that's mounted on a tower. The David Bowman Pumpkin Harvester is a specialized machine that's designed to efficiently and effectively harvest pumpkins from the field. The machine uses a series of cutting blades and conveyors to lift and sort the pumpkins from the soil. The pumpkins are then cleaned and sorted by size and quality, ready for storage or sale. The K-Tech Scraper is a highly advanced and versatile machine used in construction and mining operations. It's designed to efficiently move large volumes of soil, gravel, or other materials quickly and easily. The modernized K-Tech Scraper has a range of features that make it highly efficient, including advanced hydraulic systems, durable cutting edges, and precise controls. It's also highly versatile and can be used in a variety of conditions, including wet and uneven terrain. FenSolver is a robotic sewing control system and accurate accounting. The task of the Zavr system is the precise planning, control, and documentation of corn sowing with the help of integrated robotics units using cloud technologies. Satellite navigation and a data management system in the cloud allow you to work around the clock with constant access to all data.